Hey, I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe New Year, and hope you got a lot of modeling done this year. And with winter coming up, hope you can get a lot of bench time in and get a lot of modeling done. But I'd like to show you some Christmas cards that I got in that mean a lot to me. And one thing cool about this here hobby is a lot of the guys send Christmas cards to everyone, and it's really neat. But I'd like to share with you what I got, and I also want to share with you a couple things that I got at our club Christmas party. I'm in a model club in Louisville, Kentucky, Military Modelers Club of Louisville, and we have an annual Christmas party every year, and it's a good time. And then they have a drawing for gifts and stuff, and I want to share with you what I got. It's kind of funny what I got, so you want to stick around for that story. And I'm also going to share with you a fire truck that comes through our neighborhood, or actually all through town, through Louisville, for a whole entire month. They spend going around every evening. But that thing must be dressed with a million lights, but it runs around and wishes everyone cheer for the holidays. But let's get into this, and I want to show you some cool cards. Got this card from Skip over at Skip-O-Matics. I love this card, Skip. Thank you very much, and season's greetings to you too. You wished me season's greetings. Very cool card, cool hot rod. That'd be a neat model to do. Maybe a rat pink or something. I like it. And got this card from old Sasquatch. You know who Sasquatch is? You model builders might know. Old Doug. Doug, thank you. You wished me a Merry Christmas. Thank you very much, Doug. I appreciate the card. And I know you're going to be modeling all winter long. It's cold out, and Doug's going to be inside modeling. I need to come visit you sometime, Doug, and have a little bench time with you. Here's another neat card from Marcus. I love this card, Marcus, with the dog and the truck and everything. Cool card, Marcus. Thank you very much. And Marcus says, "Here comes Santa Paws," which I thought was really cool, and it kind of sticks out. It's kind of like a 3D card. But a neat card from Marcus over at Hot Rod's Model Shop. Marcus, thank you very much for the card. I appreciate it. Yeah, here's a funny one for you. If any of you got my card, you might recognize this. I was writing out Christmas cards, and this somehow I saw this, and I thought, oh no, I didn't sense I sent a wrong card to someone. I put something wrong thing in the envelope. What I'm getting at is this was the Christmas card I sent out. So seeing this kind of messed me up, but this is from old Justin over at J Hart Models. Thank you very much, Justin. You know I like this card. It's a card I picked out to send out to everyone. I love that scene. Very pretty scene. It'd be neat to have this here. Have like an 8x10 or 11x14 frame that's a picture you put out during the winter time or during the holidays. But thank you very much, Justin. Appreciate the card. Another cool card from old Tom over in Florida. Love it, Tom. Who doesn't like a nice hot rod? Thank you very much, Tom, for the season's greetings. Season's greetings to you, my friend. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you very much, Tom and Susan. I really appreciate it. Love the card. Thank you very much. I always like your cards, Tom. Another card I got, when I got my order in from STS Decals, I got a card from Terry and Patrice. It says, "Merry Christmas, Terry and Patrice, over at STS. Thank you very much." And this was in the card here about they're offering free shipping. And I'll read it to you. It says free shipping through January 31st of 2025. Website orders. And I guess you copy that code or get on their website or whatever and get free shipping. Or you can use the code HOHOHO24 right there. Ho 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 24 for free shipping. So thank you very much, Terry and Patrice over at STS Decals. Man, you guys rock. You guys have really propelled this hobby, and I very much appreciate it, and I know a lot of other people very much appreciate you guys too. So thank you very much, STS Decals. This card here, this from Daniel is a very cool card. It's something about this card I really like. I'm kind of into the artsy, crafty stuff. I think this was handmade from Daniel's wife. It's like a cutout, something in the back. And check this out. When you open it up, look at that. Man, is that neat or what? I love that card. It's cut out there. I think Tammy, is it? Tammy, did you make this card? Let me know, Daniel. Did your wife make this? Did you make it? I love this card. Where'd you guys get this? Love that. I keep opening it up. That is so neat. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you guys too. Another thing I got a funny picture in the mail from James. This is the picture. James wrote on the back here. He says, "Don't drink and drive, drink and ride." LOL from James. Cool picture, James. I like that. It made me laugh. Thank you very much. That's what it's all about, isn't it? But anyway, thank you guys very much for the Christmas wishes, and Merry Christmas to you too for watching. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all the cool car shows and model contests and model builds and all that good stuff that are on the channel. I think you'll like it. But Merry Christmas to you guys too. But anyway, back to the Christmas party. The club I'm in, Military Modelers Club of Louisville. I should have worn one of their shirts, I guess. If anyone in this club watching, don't look at my shirt. But anyway, Military Modelers Club of Louisville, we had our Christmas party the other night. Went, it's always a good time. But we have a little raffle, and I won this kit here, this airplane kit. Not much into airplanes, and the Military Modelers Club, hence a name. Probably 95% of everyone in that club is into aircraft or military, obviously. I'm one of the I do some military. I do very little aircraft. I got a few airplanes that I want to build in the future, but it wasn't the one that I won. And so I kind of thought I could probably trade this, because there's a few people that want a few cars and trucks and stuff that, yeah, they'd rather have a tank or an airplane. So off I went with this kit in tow, walking around, and here's what I traded for. This Superliner right here. I traded for this. Is that cool or what? I couldn't believe it. It's an unopened kit. It's still disc sealed, but I traded that for that. I actually tried trading for this cement mixer first, and Julia said no. Julia said she wasn't into wings, she wanted military. I said okay. So I went and I got this one. Very cool. So towards the end, Julia comes up to me. She goes, I know you're into that semi-truck. She goes, you want to build a mixer? I said, man, I'd love to build a mixer. So Julia gifted me this for Christmas. And she said, keep me in mind if you ever win anything military that you don't want. So Julia, I got you in mind. If I win a tank, it's probably going to be yours. So I ended up getting this and this at the Christmas party, which I thought was pretty cool. And of course, on the way over to the club, had to stop at the hobby shop and buy myself a gift. And I picked up what I thought was one of the coolest trucks I've seen in a long time. Is this here truck from Mini Art. Man, is that thing cool or what? The dual tires in the front and in the rear. I love this thing. That is really neat. But very cool truck. So I bought that for me for a Christmas gift. I want to build that sometime. I've been kind of getting into wreckers. Got my order in from STS Decals. I said that. I got the Steps Towing decals. So if you haven't seen that video, you have to check it out. If you want to build that Steps Towing wrecker, you can now do it because of STS Decals. That's how I got that card. But kind of into it. I also picked up that Mobius tow truck when I was up there. So I'm in a tow truck wrecker mood. Pretty cool. Those were my Christmas gifts to me. Thank you very much for the cards. Thank you very much for the picture. Merry Christmas to you guys, and a little bonus footage, the fire truck that comes through the neighborhood. I'll probably have to turn the sound off because it plays very loud music, and I'll just probably pipe in some sound from YouTube, but you'll get the gist of it as it rolls by like it rode by us, and I filmed it the other night. Merry Christmas, guys.